Lake Ontario. Why? Because we are the
Veneto Cycling Club.
There.
The condos couldn't hear you one more time.
Alright. Yeah, happy Indigenous Month.
Happy Indigenous Month.
Yes.
The Veneto Cycling Club.
And the Veneto Cycling Club. I won't get everybody if I get too
Okay, we're
close.
good. So, it means place. So thanks for being here at this place.
Awesome. Thank you.
Welcome to the Cheese Boutique. Afrim,
How are you?
what's going on?
How are you?
Afrim, good to see you. A little fist bump here from the Cheese Boutique.
Yeah.
We caught you. I left a message on your Instagram. Then we got Nonnonanni
Nonnonanni
from the what? What region?
from Veneto, the best region. Right?
And look at that. We brought our club here.
Guys, this is amazing. Look at
So, Afrim, you talked about this cheese that was soft and funky. Make our peeps try this cheese that's soft and funky.
Try this one first. So this is Robiola. So very famous, very iconic cheese from Veneto. Well, Robiola is made all over Italy, but from this particular producer, Nonnonanni in Veneto, it's a lot more delicate. Hey, come on in, guys. We're all friends here. So, and all I did with this was just chop up some beautiful fresh Ontario strawberries, mint and basil. Think of this cheese, it's almost like a canvas. Now you just want to paint on it, right? That's kind of the style of cheese it is. But it's amazing for breakfast or like with jam, with fruit, it's spectacular. Yeah, well, yeah, totally. Well, those are just like classic combinations of flavors that go so well. This is like one of my favorites. It's spectacular.
If any family knows cheese, it's the Pristine family, the Cheese Boutique. How many years have we celebrated?
53 almost.
53 years.
There you go.
We're talking about Food Network qualities, traveled the world,
Yeah.
talking about cheese.
Oh, look at you. You're like my PR company.
Are you kidding me?
You're like my PR.
I'll stalk you.
Here.
What do we got happening?
So that's the Robiola.
Raviola
And
with some strawberry and mint.
Some beautiful fresh Ontario strawberries, mint and basil. Just flavors that work really, really well together. It's perfect.
Wow.
But like for breakfast, drizzle some honey on here is lovely. It's perfect.
Yeah.
So now I'll give you this other one. So this other one, it's got a cool history to it. It's called Stracchino.
Oh, I know Trevino.
So Stracchino,
I know Trevino. My parents are from Treviso.
yes, which is right
That's
here.
amazing.
So Stracchino's very, very rare. It's very hard to find here.
Yes.
This is like thick, funky Italian cream.
That's the word again.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
funky.
Yeah, totally.
That
But,
cheese is amazing. That cheese is
but this is like
burgers.
very, very classic to have with like scacciata, which is like a very, very thin bread. Lots of stracchino, mortadella, and crushed pistachios. Like that's the best sandwich.
Does it get any better
Yeah.
than we planned
Now-
a little ride with just a few of our peeps to get down to Lake Ontario? We planned it so that Afrim Pristine
That's it.
brings a cheese from our Veneto namesake. We got a little
So
stracchino
you
here.
guys from Veneto?
No, we're from all over the world, but we had a chance to sample cheese in Veneto and
I
see
see.
in Veneto twice.
I see.
So when we saw your post on
Amazing.
Nonnonanni,
Amazing.
we thought we'd take a select group down here to try and really experience Afrim's knowledge and love for cheese here.
Well, like, look, I'm selling some of the world's best cheese. It's
yeah.
it's not rocket science.
No, it's not. Just do it right.
It's treating them very simply and just like adding flavors that really lift the cheese. That's really my goal. Okay, so really just nice grilled Ontario asparagus, very
A
simple.
little bit of Himalayan pig salt,
Well, it's a mix of pink salt and fleur de sel.
Fleur de sal, a very
Okay.
aromatic salt. Okay, and they're more of an herb, right? I will plate it up.
Yeah,
guys,
thank you.
guys.
I got forks here too for
You ever
everyone.
guys try those?
But like
Stracchino?
stracchino, do you know the story?
No, tell the story.
Strach.
That's the rib.
No, strach is like a slang term
Right.
for tired.
Oh,
Strach.
you stretch.
Okay?
Yes, you stretch.
So these cows are, the milk to produce stracchino
Yeah.
is only from the cow at the end of their day. So the cow has eaten all over the farm, they've walked all over, they're tired. So this is considered tired milk.
The
But it's
gunk.
very interesting.
The gunk.
The gunk.
Yeah.
So do you see the color difference
Yeah, well,
between
yeah, it's
that?
gone a little yellow or
Well,
gone a bit of vanilla.
because that's the feed, right? Like
Yeah.
this, they've eaten all day. So this is when the animal is milked to make stracchino.
Wow, so it's a particular time.
Very
It's almost
particular.
like when you do ice wine. It's a certain
Yes,
time.
yes, January, and that's it.
Wow,
So this is the stracchino.
beautiful.
It's beautiful. Like it's so nice. On pizza's amazing.
Oh, well, yeah, that's nice.
Oh, thank you.
Is that this one?
Wow.
That's the one. I'll give you a taste, miss.
Thank you so much. Let's give it up for Afrim Pristine.
Thank you very much. Thank
so
you guys for coming.
And hold on, I got a little something for you, Afrim.
Oh my
Ready?
God.
Yeah, a little souvenir from the Veneto Cycling Club. Because you are a leader,
I appreciate that.
we are going to give you one of these things. Hang on a second. Give me
What do I
some-
do with that?
Watch this. Because you're a leader. And you can wear
So now
that.
everyone sees me coming. I love it. I love it.
Because he's a leader in the cheese world, okay?
I appreciate
That's a
it.
little treat.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You guys are great.
So, Nick, we had you at cheese, eh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Go.
Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that thing hanging.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
so basically, this is all available in roll-on if you want. Okay? But we are in the cheese vault at the cheese boutique. Not bad, eh? Okay. So see how all of them are kind of named. Some of them are named for people, but this is where Afrim keeps the cheese. Okay?
Is the Prosecco ours?
The Prosecco's not ours. Okay, you're pushing it, Ed, so you're pushing it. Okay, guys.
It's awesome.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so it's good. Okay, really good. 5 year. A little funk on that. Okay, guys.